Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so happy you're joining me today for another exciting episode where we unlock the power of English, one word at a time. Today, we're diving into a very useful word, decide. What does it mean? How do we use it? Let's find out. Decide is a verb, and at its core, it means to choose what to do. It's about making a choice between different options. Think about it. Every day, we decide so many things, from what to have for breakfast to what clothes to wear. So, decide means to choose what to do. It's about selecting one option from a set of possibilities. Now, let's explore some synonyms for decide. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. One synonym for decide is choose. For example, instead of saying I need to decide what to eat for dinner, you could say I need to choose what to eat for dinner. Another synonym is determine. You might hear someone say, we need to determine the best course of action. That's very similar to saying, we need to decide the best course of action. Let's look at another one, resolve. Think of it like this. She resolved to work harder at school, which is the same as saying she decided to work harder at school. And one more, settle. We can say, let's settle on a date for the meeting, which is basically saying, let's decide on a date for the meeting. Now, let's consider the opposite of decide, which are called antonyms. An antonym for decide is hesitate. When you decide, you're taking action. When you hesitate, you're pausing, you're unsure. For example, I decided to go to the party versus I hesitated about going to the party. Another antonym is doubt. If you doubt, you're feeling uncertain or unsure about something. You might say, I doubted whether to buy the car, showing the opposite of deciding to buy it. How about waver? If you waver, you can't make up your mind. Example, he wavered between the two job offers, implying he couldn't decide. Here's another one, vacillate. It means to alternate or swing between different opinions or actions. Someone might vacillate on a decision, showing the contrast of actually deciding. Now, let's see how we can use decide in everyday life. Imagine you are at a restaurant. The waiter might ask, have you decided what you want to order? Or you might say to a friend, I can't decide what to wear to the wedding. In these cases, you are using decide in very common and practical situations. Let's look at some more examples of how to use decide in sentences and phrases. I decided to learn English. This is a clear statement of your choice. We decided on Italy for a vacation. This indicates a specific choice regarding your holiday destination. They decided to start a business together. This shows a collaborative decision. Have you decided yet? This is a common question asking if someone has made up their mind. Make a decision is a common phrase which means the act of deciding. It's time to make a decision about your future is a great example. The jury had to decide his fate is another example of usage. She couldn't decide what to name her kitten is something easy to relate to. The company had to decide which project to fund. Let's look at a few more sentences. I decided against buying the red dress. The judge decided in favor of the plaintiff. He decided that he would start saving money. It's important to decide what your priorities are. They decided to meet at 6 p.m. to discuss the issue. We can also use decide to do something. For example, I decided to go for a walk. Or, she decided to study abroad. We can also use it with questions. For example, when did you decide to move here? Or, what made you decide to take that job? Remember, decide is a fundamental verb that we use constantly in our daily lives. It's all about making choices and taking action. So today, we've learned that decide means to choose what to do. We explored synonyms like choose, determine, resolve, and settle, and antonyms like hesitate, doubt, waver, and vacillate. We also saw how decide is used in everyday conversations and phrases. That's all for today's episode of Hello Word. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, Please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and I really appreciate it. Now, for your challenge. Can you create your own sentence using the word decide? Share it as a comment below this video. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.